Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on two-step problems. Two-step problems normally involve two separate operations. We need to read the problem carefully to decide what operations to use. Example 1. 4 small schools have the following number of students. So these are all the numbers we have here for all the schools. What was the total number of students? What was the difference between school 1 and school 2? So total number means addition. So we add the 4 numbers up, and if we do that carefully, we get 1,991 students. Difference means take away or subtraction. So the difference between school 1 and school 2, so school 1 was 564. School 2 was 436, so 564 minus 436 is 128 students. And you can do that subtraction at your leisure, and you will find that that is the answer. Example 2. Bob took $30 to the shops to buy some bread rolls. He bought 8 bread rolls at $1.40 each. How much did he spend, and what was his change? So how much did he spend means the total money that he spent. So if he bought 8 bread rolls and each of them cost $1.40, the quick way to do this, that is for the total money spent, $1.40 times 8, 8 times 0 is 0, 8 fours are 32, there's the 2 and there's the 3, 8 ones are 8 plus 3 is 11. So he spent $11.20. With respect to the change, we have $30 minus $11.20. So if we do that subtraction using the strategies we saw in earlier videos, you will see that the change is $18.80. And the quick check, remember I told you with subtraction, if you add that line and that line, it should give you the top line. 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 2 is 10 because that's a 10, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's a quick check that you have the correct answer. Example 3, John is 27 years old, Bill is 33, and Ted is 36. What is the sum of the ages? So for the first operation, sum means addition. So we have to add 27, 33, and 36. And if you do that carefully, you will see that the sum of the ages is 96 years. What is the average age? So for the average age, you basically take the sum and you divide it by 3 because you have 3 students. So if you remember in a previous video, to find the average, you add all the numbers up and you divide by how many numbers there are. So that's all we're doing here. So the addition of the numbers gives us 96. There are 3 numbers altogether. 3 into 9 goes 3. 3 into 6 goes twice. So the answer is 32. So the average is 32 years. So this video has given you an introduction on how to solve problems involving 2 steps. So you have to read the problem carefully and decide which 2 operations to use.